Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find templates on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the third option, the templates button at the left side of the screen. And here you can select business templates, social media, for example Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and other video templates. And other, and just select one and step on it and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.